Every journey begins where nature quietly does its work.
Ripeness is judged by touch, sight, and experience.
Hands that know the land move with practiced intent.
Each fruit joins thousands destined for precision.
Movement begins the chain of transformation.
Efficiency starts right at the field. Nothing is left to chance. Scale emerges from repetition.
The harvest now leaves the soil behind.
Stability matters before speed.
From field paths to industrial roads.
The orchard hands its work forward.
Nature's surface meets industrial rhythm. Direction gives purpose to motion. Harvest meets industry. The next stage is already waiting. From soil to system, the process advances. Here, small harvests meet larger systems. Transport begins with preparation. Machines extend human strength. Balance and timing guide every move. Distance shrinks under coordination.
Elevation marks the shift to transit.
Stability ensures survival on the road.
Responsibility checks every detail.
Repetition builds volume. The harvest is now enclosed.
Control transfers to the road.
Power awakens motion. Field and factory grow closer. Infrastructure guides the harvest. Distance becomes momentum. The destination reveals itself. Transport completes its role. Here, harvest meets structure. Precision begins before unloading. The factory opens its arms. Safety anchors every action. Gaps are engineered away. Machines reclaim the load.
Flow reverses, inward now.
The line waits for release.
Gravity hands control to machines.
Scale replaces the orchard.
Human focus remains essential.
Calibration defines consistency. The unseen work begins.
Inside, systems awaken.
Continuity drives volume. Infrastructure carries purpose. The first transformation awaits. Before precision, purity is restored. Every surface is revealed.
Motion replaces manual effort.
Clarity exposes imperfections. What's removed is left behind.
Human judgment still matters.
Nothing is truly wasted. Uniformity is engineered. Classification creates order. Cleanliness is reinforced. Air finishes what water began.
Seconds decide acceptance.
Many paths become one. Sustainability runs alongside production.
Prepared for transformation.
The raw becomes ready. Timing is everything.
Now, the core work begins. Alignment defines efficiency.
Order is imposed without force. Only what's needed remains. Byproducts find their own path. Symmetry speeds the process. Eyes confirm what machines begin. Precision refines yield.
Consistency travels forward.
Freshness is actively protected. Accuracy is measured continuously. Deviation is quietly corrected.
Rhythm replaces interruption.
Machines are watched as closely as fruit.
Cleanliness continues beyond cutting.
Preparation nears completion.
The foundation is complete. Now, pears become product. This is where form begins to change. The heart of change awaits. Temperature reshapes texture. Control keeps balance.
Change is visible before it's complete.
Evenness defines quality.
What's not needed is removed.
Freshness is guarded carefully.
Seconds make the difference.
Balance is restored. Data confirms readiness.
Stability follows change.
Systems respond instantly. Vision verifies perfection.
Transformation is complete.
Patience preserves structure.
Human trust seals the process.
Next, intelligence takes over. Automation sharpens consistency.
Every detail is recorded.
Judgment now moves at machine speed. Corrections happen silently. Machines fine-tune what machines began. Accuracy is enforced continuously. Information drives performance.
Harmony keeps momentum.
Verification follows action. Reliability monitors itself. Transitions stay invisible. Safety is layered. Nothing breaks the flow. Systems reach full stride. Control hands off to refinement. Final refinement begins.
Technology becomes invisible when perfected. Now, details matter most. Refinement narrows the focus.
Texture is perfected here.
Precision earns approval.
Uniformity defines presentation. Finish elevates form.
Stillness completes balance.
Consistency is confirmed.
Human finesse remains.
Purity is reaffirmed.
Standards are upheld.
Everything looks good here. Workflow is steady.
Oversight site keeps trust.
Preparation anticipates inspection.
Clarity takes priority. Details define excellence. Verification comes next. Ready for judgment.
Proof now matters. Verification protects trust.
Experience sees what sensors flag.
Standards anchor judgment.
Texture confirms readiness.
Sweetness is measured, not assumed.
Numbers define flavor.
Safety is tested continuously.
Traceability leaves no gaps. Time reveals hidden risks.
Information confirms compliance.
Human senses still lead.
Approval unlocks progress.
Control means separation.
Cleanliness is proven, not claimed.
Responsibility is recorded.
The product earns its next step. Verification gives way to delivery. The final chapter begins.
Protection is applied instantly.
Precision meets presentation. Creativity travels with every unit. Units become shipments.
Identity is fixed.
Order rises layer by layer.
Stability secures the journey.
Storage preserves readiness.
Visibility ensures control.
The product is cleared to move.
Departure is organized.
The journey resumes.
And this is how modern factories produce Pears from start to finish.
Systems, people, and precision, working as one. The process never stops.